Great story. Stories that love each other as yourself.
That's it.
Really amazing.
It is. It's nice food.
It is, isn't it?
Nice one. Appreciate it. Nice one. Julius? Yes.
Let's come when you finish his hair. I'm here.
Back up race. Oh, I love it now. Big containers. I love this food. You know that?
Yeah?
Yeah.
You got this off, Tyler. I've got big container.
Danny, I need you to help. Dad, can you take this back? Sorry.
Yeah, give me up.
Dan, here.
Give me
Help
up.
us
Give me
up.
up. Come over here.
Oh, sorry.
Lots of meat, enough meat. Enough ital meat. Mark, tell him sir, ital meat we are dealing with them. Ital meat.
More than 10 varieties there.
Yes. All good man.
Enjoy, brother.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
I know you're sending it. Someone out there.
Remember you're on the channel soon. We've told people to help out Sue, so maybe someone could have just known that you're here.
Yeah.
So big up, so if you are on the channel and you sent Sue some food from the delivery, thank you very much. Just let us know who you are so that we can pick you up, because Sue said that she received some food.
Ringo vision, Ringo vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo vision, Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo.
Go to the shop, it'll be filling up to the top. We fill up to the top around here.
Yes, again. Did I give you one? I gave you one?
No, not yet.
Small one, big one?
Yeah.
I say God, please.
God, yes, we are doing God's work. Look at that. Steam coming out the pot there. Ooh, you know this shit's real, you know?
Yo, Ringo. Are good vibes. Release stress. Feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Yeah. Release stress. Him feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Ringo could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Power, release stress. Ringo feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Yeah.
Your story. What's your story?
My Lord, I forgot the pound for uncle.
I got a pound for uncle, yeah. I have a pound for you.
Great story. Stories that love each other as yourself.
That's it.
There, that is there.
Thank you. Will you ever stop drinking?
When the depression calms down, we take it from there.
So is that what you use for the depression? So don't you think you can use something else?
Say
Don't you think you can use something else other than the drink?
that was
Use this. You can use this to food.
This kitchen.
Yeah, this is the kitchen, yeah. This is the kitchen.
Outside kitchen.
Outside kitchen. So we're active on the road now, people, yeah. So the kitchen, we're outside. Outside with the kitchen, you know. Are you are you cooking today? You're not cooking with me. Huh?
Too old, you're young. I'm old to man.
All right, people, yeah. Welcome to 24-hour kitchen, people. We're there. The kitchen's on the move. Our good vibes, fresh fruits and vegetables, them, yeah. For the people, them. That is it. We're outside. Our good vibes, people. Now all the ingredients is in the pot, you know. Yeah, man. Our good vibes. Now all the ingredients is in the pot, people. Yeah. Our good vibes. All the ingredients is in the pot. I say it one more time, yeah. Let me stir it up. I'm just gonna wait for it to boil up right now. That is it, yeah. So we've got the carrot, the ginger, the garlic, the thyme, the scallion, the red pepper, the green pepper, the yellow pepper, the corn. You understand? Everything's in the pot, people. Scallion in the pot, people, yeah. Alright, we're just gonna wait for this now, yeah, to just boil up, people, yeah. Then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients into the pot. How are you doing there, lovely, alright?
But they don't drop your phone in there.
Okay. Our good vibes. We're outside. Yes, people, so we've also got some jumpers here. Just giving Bill his jumper.
It will fit. It will fit.
It will fit.
It will fit 100%.
Good vibes, people, yeah. While the pot's on the fire, yeah, man, we've got some jumpers and some stuff that we're also handing out as well, everyone, yeah. Our good vibes. Look at that. Fits. Mate.
Sweet ass.
Mate.
Oh, bro, thank you.
Respect, good vibes.
Guys.
Star Kid in the building, man, like Bones, you know.
Come on, big up Ringo Vision,
original.
man. More life, more food, star for life. You don't know, pick up the chef.
That is
Many
it.
more years, 25k, you don't know.
When you say you come to serve a food with me today?
Come on, man, you don't know. Come on, man, all day. Gee. Come on, my brother, man. Anytime,
that
man.
is it, a good
Anytime.
vibes.
Good vibes, man.
I'll be back in about 5 minutes.
Yeah. Yes, everybody, so the yam is prepared right now, so I'm just going to put some yam into the pot, people, yeah? Good vibes, look at that. That is it. Good vibes.
When my food ready?
Just cutting up the yam, putting the yam into the pot, people, yeah? A good vibe. Solomon, wagwan. Good vibes, look at that.
Before this cloud changed to the bride. Ringo video.
Yes. Yeah, that's all right.
Beat it dang, beat it da da dang dang, beat it dang, beat it dang, beat it dang dang dang. Cut it down like a termite. Right on the winds, then me a yard and kite. I am a black man, but me a bad white. What a beautiful day, I'm like the shadows of the night. Sitting at my door, then you know I'm at core. I ain't living wealthy, no, I am poor. Say girls, them a pass, then more than more. What the fuck you saying, mate? No, I ain't sure. Rising at the morning with the break of dawn. Moving through the earthquake. Love. Just a little stage, you know. Yeah. Ringo got the cooking going on. Cooking in the evening, cooking in the morning. Food for the belly and food for the brain. Sensor mania for the brain. And that make me short stay. Keep me clean every time in the sun and the rain. So cooking in the morning,
cooking in the evening. Make sure so the youth them not hungry now. So light up the fire, food off you cook and get not your stick. Sitting where your boss you can't hold in, and we see can't hold in and carry. Slew certain flesh out me all a stay for, and I'm going near to them, so you see say that sound it up it from half of the star. So me nah go a Jupiter, me nah go a Mars. No island full of some say in my heart. Then right over all things like a from. But what a thing when we go boss it up. We go tell Babylon about them all clap. Peace, peace. Oh what a thing when we go boss it up. We go tell Babylon about them. Eman, no terror mob sitting. Slow all the million. Them dead and forgotten. Them won't get white and them flesh get rotten. A soldier have gun and police have button. See them a feed roach. We fold them a fat. Me and 365 gallons. Some boys say that I say should not. But what? Nah, people quick little pit stop. Get a piece of sugar cane, big up Tata, just give you some lyrical contents, people, yeah, are good vibes.
Hey, but now say that again. No. Now say again, please. Say again, no.
Some of us are stink, or some of us think too much, they will think of real shit.
You hear that, people, yeah? Ah, mate. We're gonna almost be ready. It's dinner time in about 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
20 minutes.
20.
Good vibes. Good man. You don't want to drink now?
Close.
Big man, it's nice when it's warm and hot, you know.
No, I'm serious.
Okay.
Don't worry.
I know you will. Yeah, me. You get served raw here, man. It comes out the freaking pot. Not like when you go to the shop. It'll be filling up to the top. We fill up to the top around here.
Yes, everybody. So a good vibe. So yeah, man, we're outside. Yeah, man, we're gonna hand out the rest of the street people. Yeah, that is it. So it's been a good day today.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
People, what do we have to say so far? Is it nice?
Yes, sir.
Live. Don't forget to grab a plate too, miss.
No, just I want to have this video.
Uh-huh.
I like them.
You like it? Say hello to the TV.
Hello.
Yeah, there you go.
10 quid, literally.
Before, huh? Yeah, we get the same down there. We got one on our tent. We can't cook like that. We cook noodles. Gin and noodles.
Amazing.
Try some distance one day, huh?
Really amazing.
It is, it's nice food.
It is, isn't it?
Nice one, appreciate it. Nice one. Juice? Yes.
Let's come when you finish his hair. I'm here. Yeah. Thank you. Did I give you one? I gave you one?
No, not yet.
Small one, big one? Yeah.
I say God, please.
God, yes. We are doing God's work. Look at that. Steam coming out the pot there. Ooh, you know this shit's real, you know?
Yes, everyone, so we're just here. The mission is to feed 1 million people. We've almost hit 10,000 people so far.
Wow.
So a good vibe.
Congratulations,
So-
that's a good vibe.
So Reezy, you was there, you've seen the journey as well.
But I've been here from the developing stages, you know? We're out here. But this man's been here constantly here every day. You see that? That's why we give respect to this man, you know? A good vibes only.
Thank you, good, yeah? Reezy, you on?
I will, but I'm tied up, so you get me. Big man, you want one?
Hungry?
Yeah? Big man behind you wants one.
You want bubbly, yeah? You want as well?
Not me, you know, put me in there, man.
Oh no, sorry. Yeah, cool. My bad. Yeah, me. This is where we are, yeah? On the on the Surrey Street Market, you get me? Look at that. Croydon. Try to tell you it's a bad area, you know. Croydon is a bad area. There's just some bad people there, that's all. Just like anywhere else in this planet. You get the good, the bad and the ugly. And we just try to do good.
Thank you,
you feel me? A good vibes only. A good vibes. Ah.
Big man, no teeth. Me have no teeth and no corn, nothing, you know?
Some soup?
Yeah, man, soup and some potato.
Yeah,
bless you, brother.
Good work. Good work.
It's very tasty. Thank you, and we see you tomorrow.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, yeah. Please, leave us with your famous word again.
Banging.
Yes, you don't know to the don't know. Banging, she says. You don't know, it's banging.
We have to say thank you to you
of
guys
course.
all the way from Canada.
Yeah, hello.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rabishi.
Good vibes. Marky Mark, how you been?
Checking in.
Good vibes.
Yeah, take me home.
Good vibes. Yes, everyone. So the mission, as you know, what's happening right now. Yeah, we're just handing out the food. It's right here at the market, Sedway. It's like we can't move from the market because everyone's just turning up, coming to get their soup. You understand? Good vibes. There you go.
Thank you very much, my man.
You're welcome. Shushu.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it so much.
You're welcome. Yeah, so the mission continues, yeah. As you can see that we're on a marathon right now. We've almost fed 10,000 people, yeah. So look, there's a lot of people out here. It's not just the fact of them being hungry and not being getting food on a daily basis, but some people are not getting clothes properly, hygiene levels. Some people are suffering from mental health, some people are suffering from alcoholic, some people are suffering from drug abuse as well, you understand? So just be mindful that a lot of the people that we're feeding, they're not just like, there's a lot of backgrounds happening. You understand, people, yeah? So our good vibes, just support the movement Fedway. We're on the mission, as you can see, look. We've been out here all day, as you can see, we was in the market today, yeah? And we started off by putting a pumpkin in the pot. The pumpkin was the first ingredient. And after the pumpkin, then we added in like the red onion, and the garlic, the thyme, the scallion, and then we've used like sweet potato, we've used yam, we've used chocho, we've used turnip. You understand, people, yeah? We've used red pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper. We've used carrots as well, people, yeah? Just to enhance the flavor as well, people. Our good vibes, that is it. You understand? Just stay on the journey. Don't forget to what? Like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video, people. It's important that you guys leave a comment in the comment section. That is it. Good vibes. You see the kitchen's on the road. It's gonna go up on the high street. Hand out the rest of the food quickly. A good vibes, you know?
Passed it in his face. He drank it all. Yeah,
Cold out here, you know? Freezing cold. Hard one. Yeah, man, so on the ice, oh, yeah. Look, and you cold on thing?
Freezing.
Mark him up.
I'm freezing.
Like, you feeling it? No, I'm feeling it. Yeah, I'm feeling it. Yeah, I'm good vibes, man.
Good work.
Man, so
On the left.
yeah, we're gonna stop on the left and check in on soon. This is look the spot here, so good vibes.
I'm a rapper now. Everyone thinks I'm a rapper now. They'll go, oh, Sue's coming, the rapper's coming. So I stand there and do all that, you know.
Why not? How you been, Sue?
All right. I don't want too much soup tonight because someone just delivered a delivery to me.
Yeah.
A quarter of a chicken, chips and broccoli.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's good.
Really nice. I don't know who's sending me. That's the second surprise meal I've had like that. I don't know who's sending it. Someone out there.
Remember you're on the channel, Sue, and we've told people to help out Sue, so maybe someone could have just known that you're here.
Yeah.
So big up, Sue. If you are on the channel and you sent Sue some food from the delivery, thank you very much. Just let us know who you are so that we can pick you up, because Sue said that she received some food.
The chicken was absolutely just pulled apart. So really well cooked.
Good stuff.
Yeah, absolutely brilliant.
Wrapped up all soon.
Yeah.
Good vibes.
Yeah, I've got pod jumpers on and mitts and a scarf and a neck.
Look at that. So Sue's got a jumper. That is it. Good vibes. Put the hood on, Sue. Let them see you're a rude girl as well.
Let me do a bit of rude.
That's it. She's got a good old spirit. Hey Sue, thank you. Yeah. I'll catch up with you later.
Enjoy your sleep, darling.
Yeah.
See you later.
Back on the go with the kitchen again, people. Yeah, big up to our good vibes. Good day today.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, Carl. Look, we still got the pulley. We're on the move, people. Yeah. Our good vibes. We're heading right now is into like West Croydon, people here with the kitchen. Come on.
What's that? No, I don't say so. You're gonna get some food now, you're nice.
Lots of meat, yeah?
Huh? Lots of meat, enough meat. Enough ital meat. Mark, tell him say ital meat where I deal with them. Ital meat.
More than 10 varieties of it.
Yes. All good, man.
Enjoy, brother.
Yeah, man, a good vibe. So I'm just out in West Croydon now, right outside West Croydon train station, people. Yeah, man, in the heart of town. I was gonna hang out some food right here, people. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, man. So the mission has to continue. That's the importance about having the type of kitchen that we've got here. That is on the wheels, it's on the go, and you can push it around town. I can walk around and I can see if there's any homeless people in town that want some food. So as I walk over here now by the Sainsbury's local, yeah, warm. Go over here and just let them gentlemen over here know, say, well, one big man, you're right, yeah? I got the kitchen over there, I got some food over there now, some soup. Come and give you some food.
I've only come out to St George's. I can deal with the soup. I'll be over there.
Come.
Brother, no, you're not yet. I'll be over, brother.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to eat it? You want to eat it now? You've seen you.
Yeah.
Brother, love you. Love
mate,
Chris,
come and get soup.
Food over there, man.
Where?
Right here by the station.
Soup in here, on the corner of West Corner of the train station.
It's only because I got it on the trolley, innit? So
yeah, I've already
right there by the station. Come over, walk over, innit? Walk over and give you some. Nah.
Brother, I'm coming over in a minute, yeah? I'm promise you, yeah?
I'll
be coming, brother. Love you. Thank you, brother.
Say. Our good vibes. Yeah, mate. Yeah. Our good vibes, so that's what you have to do. You have to walk.
You was down Surrey Street yesterday.
Huh? Yeah.
It's felt uncomfortable, isn't it?
Look, the kitchen's right here. That is it.
I got sent out at 9:20 to get black bags, yeah. She went, how long are you going to take to get them? I went, about an hour, yeah. And look at the time now, it's just, I'm like,
where's
it's got out camera, man.
Sorry, brother.
What is this? Oh yeah, nice one. Yeah.
We get a spoon, we get a spoon.
Yeah, it tastes good already.
Yeah?
Nice one, man. Respect, yeah.
That is
Alright,
it.
sorry, man.
So
I didn't mean to
outside.
push in you, man.
A rush hour time right now, so yeah man, enough people are coming out of the train station right now, people, yeah. So I'm just gonna wait for a little while, walk down a little bit, and then just hand out the food. Yeah, it's been a marvelous day so far. We've handed out quite a bit of soup today, people. Yeah, we've fed quite a bit of people, so good vibes. The mission continues, yeah, and the marathon is ongoing, people. Yeah, that is it. So you know what the aim is. The aim is to feed 1 million people. And that is it, we're almost at 10,000. So let's just keep pushing, let's keep going, people, yeah? That is it, good vibes.
You're right. This is Razor.
Razor, what? Tyler, you alright?
Yeah. Dan has some.
Yeah.
Back up, Race. Oh, I love it now. Big containers. I love this food. You know that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You got yourself, Tyler. I've got big containers.
Danny, I need you to help. Dan, can you take this back? Sorry.
Yeah, give me up.
Dan, here.
Sorry, give me
Help
up.
us
Give me
up.
up. Come over here.
Sorry.
Sit.
Sit.
Yeah, one second, just chill, man. I'm chill, man. Chill, Bubba. Let me do what I'm doing, please, yeah? Give me
Sorry.
what I'm doing. Rest.
There you go. Sit down. Good boy. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Get some, you know. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a nice evening, guys. Thank you so much.
Yes, Tyler.
Thank you. Is it nice?
Good stuff. I'd eat more. Yes, people, it's been another amazing day. You understand? We gave out every single bit of soup that we could have gave out today, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Marathon continues, yeah? The mission is ongoing, yeah? We fed almost 10,000 people, and our aim is to feed 1 million people, yeah? Reach out to different lives all over the globe, people, yeah? Right now we're in London and we're looking to branch out and touch different areas in London, people, yeah? If you're watching this video and you've liked what you've seen today, be a part of our journey, be a part of our movement, yeah? Because all support is necessary and needed, and especially let us know what you think of each time you see us going out and how we can implement things to make things better and make the journey more effective and more smoother. Put it in the comment section for me, please, yeah? One love to each and every one of you. Guess what? It's our good vibes, and keep the good vibes always, yeah? That is it. The king came to see Ringo Vision.
Yeah.
If you big up the people, then.
Yeah, big up. Ringo Vision.
I said the king talks to you, man. Nah, man.
Nah, I am.
You have anything to give people, them?
Check out Ringo Vision for the YouTube, yeah?
Yeah?
Especially to Whopper. Big Whopper.